So this is your friend and neighbor Tito Tony. Anyway, so guys, you see what I'm wearing right now. These are pinhole glasses. So makikita niyo yan. Siguro nakita niyo somewhere na to. No? Yung may mga butas-butas lang siya dyan. These are what you call pinhole glasses. Okay, yung light rays nito, okay, yung pag-manipulate niya ng light, mas straight. So it goes straight to your eyeballs. And then, yung circle of confusion, yung parang medyo lumalabo. When, especially pag tumitingin ka sa fine text, yung maliliit na mga text, nasusolusyonan nito. No? So, kung meron kang nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, usually lalo na pag madalas ka nakatingin sa gadget, sa phone, or sa computer, naka-fix yung screen na gano'n, yung distance niya, kaya medyo nagkakaproblema sa muscle ng eyes, no? So, by wearing this, temporarily nafi-fix siya. So, I wear this siguro once a week or once every 2 weeks, and I find na nakakatulong sa akin, ano? So, ayun, try this out guys, and it's so cheap, you know, especially if you order it from the online shopping platforms, no? So, also another thing, hindi ito pwedeng pang gamitin pang drive, pwede siya pang basa-basa, pwede siya pang exercise, this thing just exercises your eyes, no? So, just use it for a few minutes a day, and it don't need what you call this, baka ito lang ang kailangan mo for your eyesight So just try this, keep on exercising your eyes. If medyo malala ka, you can probably do this. I'm not an expert, but maybe you may wanna try it like every other day or every day. You wear it for a few minutes, and then you read text, and then you use it while you're browsing your phone, scrolling, or working on your computer. Yun lang guys, so I hope this helps. Bye bye for now.